Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and short tutorial video. In this video, we are going to learn how can you copy and paste a phone number into the iPhone's phone app. It's a very easy and simple process to learn it. You have to watch this video till the very end. So without any further ado, let's get started. For example, I wanna copy a number. So I'm gonna type a number here, and now I'm gonna copy this number. To copy this number, all you have to do, tap on that number, and then here you'll get copy. Tap on copy, and that number has been copied. Now I'm gonna clear it, and to paste it, all you have to do, tap on here, and then here you'll get paste. Tap on paste, and as you can see that the number has been pasted that we have just copied. And that's how you can copy and paste a phone number into the iPhone's phone app. I hope you understand the full process. If you think this video is useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.